Good morning, students. So, the first question of page number 81, I'm going to discuss fill in the blanks. The extension of a workbook in MS Excel is XLSX. So, this is if you are using 2010 and onwards, it is XLSX, and previously it was .xls. A file which contain a number of worksheets is called workbook. It's called a workbook. The smallest unit of a worksheet is called cell, where we enter the data. Number 4, a cell is referred as column letter followed by a row number. Column is a letter and row is a number. That exactly is mentioned over here. Number 5, when you click on dash option, it displays the print preview of a worksheet. So you have to click on the print options. So when you click on the print options, you will get the print preview on the right hand side. So this is the fill in the blanks. Now we are going to talk about the true and false. You cannot close an active worksheet without saving the cell content. It's true. You need to save, otherwise you cannot close it. The extension of a workbook you may or may not write while saving. Yeah, you just have to write the file name. You don't have to write the extension. It will be taken automatically. It's true. Columns are the horizontal lines in a worksheet. This is false. Columns are the vertical lines like A, B, C. These are called columns. Next, a cell E10 means column E and 10th row. That's true. Save as option does not ask the file name from the user while saving. It's false. Now we are going to talk about the number 3. Name the following. It stores few shortcut buttons that are frequently used. Answer is quick access toolbar. Number 2, this button displays all the frequently used tasks related to the application. Answer is file. Number 3, it shows the cell address of the active cell. Answer is name box. Answer is name box. we are moving towards the mathematical functions. Perform these mathematical tasks on a spreadsheet. To find the product of first 5 odd numbers. So we can write equal to 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 9, or we can also write equal to product within bracket 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9. Number 2, to find the sum of 87, 89, 91 and 66. So we just have to write first equal to. Why? Because all the function starts with equal to symbol. Equal to sum within bracket 87, 89, 91, 66. Round bracket close. Next question. Subtract 999 from 1000. So we have to write 1000 minus 999. Next, number 4. To show the result of dividing 612 by 6. So we have to write 612 divided by 6. Number 5. To calculate the average of 87, 91, 88, 78 and 90. So we have to write equal to the function average, round bracket open, 87, 91, 88, 78, 90. So this way we will be finishing this particular question. Now we'll move to the long answer question. So when we look at the long answer question, what are the advantages of electronic spreadsheet? Electronic spreadsheet is having lots of advantages, so we can talk about them. By default, it creates the tabular form of data arrangement where cell is created at the intersection of rows and columns, where different types of data we can store and manipulate. We can calculate values using inbuilt function, and it automatically recalculate values while any change we made on cell. We can create a graphical representation of data using graph options. Question number 2, mention 3 limitations of manual spreadsheet. So the limitations are a need to draw a row and column on the paper which cannot be resized according to your need. It is time consuming. Calculation performed once cannot be changed if needed for revaluation or re-evaluated. Now next, question number 3. Question number 3 says, enlist the features of an electronic spreadsheet. The electronic spreadsheets are having lots of features. I have enlisted only 4. Calculation can be done automatically. We can change the size as and when we require, size of the cell. Multiple copies can be taken. We can represent data in form of charts and graphics. Question number 4, to create a new workbook, what we have to do, we have to click on file, we have to click on new, to just a new workbook will be created. Now when you want to save that particular workbook, you have to click on file, save as, then you have to provide the file name and you have to click on the save button. That will save the workbook. If you want to take the printout, number C, to print a workbook, you have to click on file, you have to click on print, then you have to select the number of pages you want to take the printout, you want to what type of paper you are using. According to that you will be choosing the paper size, you will be using the printer type, which type of printer you are using, and then you will click on the print button.